Hi guys, this is the Lark M2 Holyland's compact wireless mic made for creators on the go. Today we are unboxing it and testing it out from the rooftop. Inside the box, you get two ultralight transmitters, a receiver, the charging case, USB-C, and lightning adapters, and all the cables you need. Yani whether you are using your phone or camera, you are good to go.
Hi, Peter here. This is my sound without the mic.
Hi, Peter here. This is my sound without noise cancellation. Hi, this is Peter. This is my sound with noise cancellation mode. Let's see the distance this mic can go. Hey! 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 At just 9 grams, these mics are almost weightless. You get 10 hours of battery life, 1 tap pairing, and digital noise cancellation built in. Hakuna stress, just clip and shoot. If you create content, video, podcast, interviews, this mic might be exactly what you need. Subscribe for more honest tech reviews and comment below on what you should feature next.